Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make homemade vegetable soup. This is a quick soup. The whole process is going to probably take about 30 minutes or less. Sometimes you just want what you want when you want it and you gotta have it now. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell and make sure it's set it to all so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, let's go over our ingredients. We are back and just about everything is the star of this dish. We've got our celery, we've got onions and carrots. Now I'm using okra simply because I didn't have green beans. This is customizable, so put whatever vegetables you want in yours in there. We've got corn, minced garlic. We have potatoes. Now I'm using red potatoes, but you can use Yukon Gold. They hold up well, and you can use russet. Our seasonings over here. This is garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, couple of bay leaves, and some paprika. Now the onion powder and the garlic powder here, that's homemade. Have a link in the description for how you do that as well. We're using a can of diced tomatoes and, as usual, salt and pepper to your taste. Okay, let's go ahead and get this homemade vegetable soup done. We're also using our Instapot today, which is going to make it super quick. Okay, now that our Instapot is hot, because we are using our Instapot today, we want to go in and add just a little bit of olive oil, not too much, so that we can saute our celery and onions. Just want to saute these together for a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to go in and add our garlic. Saute for another minute. Add in our carrots, potatoes, corn, okra or green beans if you're using them, tomatoes, the whole can, and all of our seasonings, including the bay leaf. Now give it all a good stir. Now we're adding in chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth, but this chicken broth adds just a little bit more creamy, your texture to your mouthfeel, as well as a little bit more body to your soup. Make sure everything is well combined. Go in and add salt and pepper to taste. Again, give it a stir. At this point, you want to turn your pot off and turn it back on to 5 minutes. It doesn't take long for this to cook because we are using frozen vegetables. Everything except for the potatoes, pretty much, and the tomatoes and potatoes. We are using frozen vegetables in this particular recipe, so we don't have the need to cook it for a long time, and that release of the steam is going to let it continue to cook. So make sure you put your top on, turn it to seal, and we'll be back. Okay guys, we are all done. Let's take our top off. Oh my goodness, if you guys could smell this. Ooh, always lift your top away from you all. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Ooh, oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, guys. Ooh, the steam. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes. We're going to fish out these bay leaves. There's one right here. And I'm going to plate this up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I am done plating. Doesn't this look amazing? It was quick and easy. Don't forget to go over to cookingatpamsplace.com and sign up for free, yes free, absolutely free, exclusive recipes and email notifications when I drop a video. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.